Let's meet Ms. Emma, a product designer. For her latest project, she needed high-quality, custom plastic parts with precise specifications. After exploring various options, Emma sought a reliable plastic parts manufacturing service to bring her designs to life. While researching online, she discovered Createproto Rapid System Limited, a leader in custom manufacturing. Excited by their expertise, Emma reached out to discuss her project. She was impressed by their advanced injection molding techniques and precision manufacturing capabilities. From prototypes to large-scale production, they handled everything seamlessly. Thanks to their fast turnaround and exceptional quality, Emma's project was a success. So, do you also need custom plastic parts for your next project? Call +86 7552 813 7273 or visit createproto.com for an instant quote.